Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean microfiber cloth for any internal cleaning. Having these tools at hand will make the process smoother. First, turn off your HFA617 device and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical shock during the repair. Next, carefully remove the back cover by unscrewing the screws located at the back. You will typically find 4 to 6 screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious while doing this to avoid damaging any clips or the casing itself. If you encounter resistance, double-check that you have removed all screws. After the back cover is off, you will see the internal components. At this stage, it's a good opportunity to clean any dust or debris inside. Use the microfiber cloth to wipe down the internal surfaces. Now, locate the LCD cover, which is typically secured by additional screws. Remove these screws using the Phillips screwdriver. It's important to note the size and length of each screw as you will need to replace them afterward. If you're not sure about handling this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get expert advice on repairs. After removing the screws, gently lift the LCD cover from the device. Use the flathead screwdriver to help you pry it off if necessary, but be cautious not to apply too much force. Once the old LCD cover is removed, take a moment to inspect the frame for any damage. If the frame is damaged, it may need to be replaced as well. Before installing the new LCD cover, ensure that the area is clean and free from any dust. A clean surface will help the new cover adhere better and prevent any issues in the future. If you don't have the tools for this step, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you to get your device repaired without any hassle. Now, align the new LCD cover with the frame and gently press it into place. Be sure to check the alignment before securing it to avoid misalignment issues. Once you're satisfied with the placement, replace the screws you previously removed. Tighten them securely but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the new cover. Finally, reattach the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing it down until it clicks into place. Replace all the screws on the back cover, ensuring everything is secured. If you want to know the cost of repairing your device before proceeding, we provide quotes before repair, allowing you to make informed decisions. Once everything is back together, turn on your HFA617 to test the new LCD cover and ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Remember, no calls, no travel, we make repairs convenient for you. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.